ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, maker of world-class quality Pride detergent.
Yes, FM.
Welcome to CD Mall's Government Services Center, your one-stop destination for all your government document needs. Located conveniently right here in the heart of Pangasinan, our center provides a hassle-free experience for filing your important documents and contributions. Whether you're a resident of Pangasinan or visiting from afar, our center offers a wide range of services to meet your requirements. Here are just a few of the offices you can find at CD Mall's Government Services Center, SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, and OWA, located at the 3rd level. NBI and DTI Negosyo Center, located at the 2nd level, while LTO Renewal Office is located at the ground level. Our Government Services Center is open Mondays to Fridays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Say goodbye to the stress of government transactions and hello to convenience at CB Mall's Government Services Center. Whether you're here for SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, OWA, DTI Negosyo Center, LTO, or NBI services, we've got you covered. Visit us today and experience the difference firsthand. CB Mall's Government Services Center, where your government transactions are made easy.
Siyempre anak, dala ko mga favorites mo. Merong cheesy butter softy mamon, choco bar, at ube and cebada.
Cindy's Big. Wow! Cindy's Big Baon! Sana all!
Sana all talaga. Perfect for sharing ang Cindy's Big Baon. Ito para sa'yo. Cindy's Banana Roll. Sa'yo, Pars, Banana Cake Bar. And for my BFF, brownies naman.
Aw, ang sweet! Thanks, my BFF!
Laging pasalubong.
Happy birthday, Nay! Para sa inyo po!
Ang paborito po ninyong Cindy's Yema Cake.
Wow! Na-surprise naman ako. I feel so special.
We love you! The best ka lang!
Araw-arawin na sa Cindy's. Ano mang okasyon o selebrasyon, savor great moments with Cindy's.